lot of people are wondering how it turns on, and more importantly, if it turns on unsafe, or that something's going to happen if you bridge contacts. I have this plugged into a power source with my favorite 3-prong plug. You can connect. Great, wonderful. Again, these are just prototypes. They're just for fun, for a home product, to show what our tech can do. Down the road, a kind of nice cloth looking thing. And this is another variation, also using magnets, little tiny magnets. And for the truly vain person out there, there's your walnut wood, actual wood. All right, so we've got this turning on. Now let's get something to bridge it. I showed an earlier video, but here's some wire. Here, let's turn this and get better look. Not turning on. Let's try it somewhere around here. Okay, well, that doesn't turn on with that. Let's try magnet. Ooh, that's pushing the other way. That's the wrong way. Whoa. Let's see here. Let's pull this one magnet off. That one doesn't turn it on. It's not turning on there, and it's not electrocuting me. Okay. Holy crap, that magnet's strong. Wow, look at that. Just crazy. All right, still not turning it on. Now, well, I guess it doesn't go live. Anything else anyone want me to try other than lick it? Because I like looking silly, but come on. You're going to have to do a lot of likes for that, then I'll do it. Happy to do it then. Anyhow, there you have it.